Budget friendly marketing, how to grow your business without breaking the bank. They say you have to invest to grow, and that's really true. But sometimes we get caught in that trap of investing so much that we're drowning in our investments and not making enough to support it. So, how can you streamline what you're investing in and make it budget friendly so that you can grow your business still, but not be wasting money? The first thing is to grow an online presence and get known as an expert in your field. It isn't enough to have a website or even just to have social media. You need to be putting content out there that shows you're an expert, engages other people, and makes them want to work with you. The second thing is only use ads once you have everything else working. When you have an organic strategy in place that's getting people into your funnel, that is getting you DMs on a regular basis of people asking for more, it's getting you views and comments on your social media, and your business and influence is growing on its own. You just have to keep putting out what you're doing. Then you can consider investing in ads, but make sure that you have a very clear ad strategy and you have enough funds that you can make it 3 to 6 months of investing in those ads before you see a return. The last one is to really streamline what you're doing. Have platforms that streamline things and make it easy, that have built in support and coaching. This way, you are not investing in so many different things and spreading yourself thin. You are actually targeted and growing your business in an efficient way that doesn't break the bank and actually gets you more leads without you having to waste the money on ads that you're not ready to do. If you would love more information on this, please drop the hashtag budget friendly business in the comments, and I would love to send you some information that will help you through this and help you really build this business in an efficient and economical way.